Picture this, one of North America's true industrial powerhouses, real trucks, real warehouses, and real tangible profits, operating at a scale that keeps the continent's economy moving day and night. These aren't just numbers on a screen or some speculative tech startup hoping to make it big. This is the infrastructure that delivers your groceries, stocks your stores, and keeps factories humming. And right now this giant is trading at a jaw-dropping 45% discount to its true value. The market's recent panic has sent its stock price tumbling, creating a rare window for those who know where to look. While others see red on the charts, savvy investors see green, an opportunity to buy a cornerstone business at a price that almost never comes around. This isn't a high-flying tech gamble or a risky biotech moonshot. This is the backbone of our economy, the unsung hero that quietly powers commerce from coast to coast. And right now, Wall Street has tossed it into the bargain bin, distracted by short-term noise and headlines. But here's the thing, while the market panics, the smartest investors are quietly moving in. This company has survived recessions, supply chain crises, and economic storms, always emerging stronger and more resilient. It's built to last, with a track record that proves it can weather any challenge. The so-called experts are running scared, dumping shares, and warning of doom. But that's exactly where we find our edge. When fear takes over, opportunity knocks for those willing to look past the panic. The market has mistaken a temporary headwind, a short-term challenge, for a fundamental long-term problem. But if you dig deeper, you'll see the core business is as strong as ever. This is our chance to buy a great company at a fire sale price. If you're looking to make a real move this year, to set yourself up for outsized gains, pay close attention, because this could be your ticket to a major win. Opportunities like this don't come around often, and when they do, they don't last long. In this video, I'll break down the business model, the financials, and the reasons why this stock is, in my view, a screaming buy. We'll look at the numbers, the strategy, and the catalysts that could send shares soaring once the market wakes up. But this isn't just about a stock ticker. It's about investing in the circulatory system of North American commerce, the arteries and veins that keep goods flowing, shelves stocked, and businesses running. Without companies like this, the economy would grind to a halt. What's more, the management team is showing real confidence. They're buying back shares at these low prices, raising dividends to reward shareholders, and using their strong balance sheet to snap up competitors at a discount. While others are playing defense, cutting costs and shrinking back, this company is playing offense, expanding its reach, investing in technology, and positioning itself for the next wave of growth. They're not just surviving, they're thriving, taking bold steps while everyone else is stuck in fear. That's the kind of leadership that creates generational wealth for investors who get in early. This is your chance to get in on a massive rebound before the rest of the market catches on. When the tide turns, those who acted now will be the ones celebrating. Don't let this once-in-a-decade opportunity pass you by. The train is leaving the station, and you don't want to be left behind. Let's dive in and see why this could be the smartest investment you make this year. Before we dive in, take a second to hit like, share, and subscribe. It might seem like a small gesture, but it makes a massive difference for our channel, and helps us keep bringing you the best investing insights out there. By subscribing, you'll always be first in line for our latest high-conviction stock ideas, deep dives, and actionable strategies. Don't miss out on the next big opportunity. Make sure you're part of our growing community of smart investors. Your engagement, every like, comment, and share, helps us reach more people and motivates us to deliver even more hard-hitting, no-nonsense analysis. We're here to empower you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in the market. Now, let's talk about something that can truly accelerate your investing journey, the Value Stocks Investing Master Course. This is more than just our sponsor. It's your shortcut to mastering the art and science of value investing. Forget dry textbooks and endless theory. This course is designed to be hands-on, practical, and engaging. It's a high-octane program that transforms complete beginners into confident, capable investors, no matter your starting point. You'll master the essentials: how to read and interpret balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports. You'll learn to calculate intrinsic value like a pro, so you can spot when a stock is truly undervalued. The course also teaches you how to identify economic moats, the hidden strengths that protect great companies from the competition. These are the same skills legendary investors like Warren Buffett use to build their fortunes. You won't get lost in jargon or overwhelmed by hype. Instead, you'll get a repeatable, battle-tested system for finding undervalued companies. One you can use again and again in any market environment. The core idea? Buying dollars for 50 cents. The master course shows you exactly how to do that, step by step, so you can build real wealth over time. You'll get exclusive video modules, downloadable resources, and real-world case studies that make the lessons stick. It's all designed to fit your schedule so you can learn at your own pace wherever you are. Whether you're just starting out with $100 or you're already managing a six-figure portfolio, this course will help you level up your investing game and make smarter decisions with your money. Don't just follow someone else's stock picks. Learn how to find the winners yourself, for life. That's the kind of skill that pays dividends for decades. That's the real secret to financial freedom. The ability to spot opportunities, act with confidence, and build wealth on your own terms. Ready to take control of your financial future? Click the link below and enroll in the Value Stocks Investing Master Course today. It's your first step toward a smarter, richer tomorrow. The knowledge you gain will pay for itself 1,000 times over, through better decisions, bigger gains, and a lifetime of financial confidence. Join us now, and let's build your dynasty portfolio together, one smart investment at a time. Now, back to the action. Let's get into the company and see what makes it a compelling opportunity. Let's get into the company. The company trading at a 45% discount? TFI International, ticker TFII. This isn't just another trucking company, it's a logistics powerhouse across Canada, the US, and Mexico. TFI manages over 100 subsidiaries, giving it unmatched flexibility and reach. Its segments cover less than truckload, and last-mile logistics, every link in the supply chain. CEO Alain Bedard is a master operator, focused on profitable growth and smart acquisitions. TFI's strategy: buy smaller companies, integrate them, and boost profitability. When you see TFII down 45%, ask, is the business broken, or is the market just scared? The answer: TFI is stronger than ever, executing brilliantly in a soft market. This is an asymmetric bet limited downside, explosive upside. Let's look at the numbers. As of June 30th, 2025, TFI trades at $120, a 45% drop from its high. Market cap, $10.1 billion. Dividend yield, 2%. Bears point to a dip in Q1 net profit, but here's what matters. Revenue rose 5% year over year to $2 billion thanks to smart acquisitions. TFI is expanding even as the industry faces headwinds. The net profit drop? Expected due to temporary softness in consumer markets. But here's the kicker. Free cash flow surged 40% to $191.7 million. That's the ultimate sign of a healthy, efficient business. Cash flow funds dividends, buybacks, and future growth. TFI is squeezing every ounce of efficiency from its operations. Net profit can fluctuate, but massive free cash flow is undeniable. The market is missing this story. TFI is a cash-generating machine hiding in plain sight. Let's break down the segments. TFI's strength is its diversified business model. In Q1 2025, the truckload segment was the star. Revenue up 61%, operating profit up 18%, thanks to the 𝗗𝗟𝗧 acquisition. TFI didn't just buy a company, it bought market leadership and scale. This shows the power of their acquisition strategy. While the industry worried about freight rates, TFI integrated a major asset that boosted both revenue and profit. Less than truckload and logistics faced temporary softness, but these are high-margin, cyclical businesses. When demand returns, profitability will snap back. TFI's diversification is a natural hedge. When one area dips, another picks up the slack. The company isn't reliant on a single market or service. The current weakness is a normal cycle, not a broken business. We're being offered high-quality segments at peak pessimism. This is why TFI is such a smart investment. Now let's talk acquisitions. TFI's playbook is all about smart, disciplined acquisitions. The 𝗗𝗟𝗧 deal made TFI a dominant force in specialized trucking, fueling that 61% truckload revenue jump. But TFI didn't stop there. After Q1, it acquired Basin Transportation and Velo Transit. These tuck-in deals strengthen TFI's network and add immediate value. While competitors struggle, TFI uses its financial strength to buy valuable assets at great prices. CEO Alain Bedard is building an empire piece by piece. Each acquisition boosts efficiency, density, or capabilities. The bigger TFI gets, the more cash it generates for future deals. This is a compounding machine, and right now, it's on sale. TFI's management doesn't just talk confidence, they show it with cash. In Q1 2025, TFI returned $94.4 million to shareholders, $38.2 million in dividends, and $56.2 million in buybacks. They even raised the dividend by 13%, a clear sign of strength. Buybacks reduce share count, making your stake more valuable. Management is buying heavily while the stock is down. This 1-2 punch of rising dividends and aggressive buybacks is the ultimate signal of conviction. They're not hoarding cash, they're creating value for investors. TFI sees the same opportunity we do, buy back shares at a steep discount. This shareholder-friendly approach, combined with smart operations, makes TFI a top-tier investment. Let's look at the balance sheet. Here's why TFI is built to last. In uncertain markets, balance sheets separate winners from losers. TFI is built like a fortress, ample liquidity, low debt, and nearly $1 billion in revolving credit. This war chest lets TFI act fast on new opportunities, big or small. Massive free cash flow, up 40% last quarter, funds dividends, buybacks, and acquisitions, all while keeping debt manageable. TFI doesn't rely on capital markets to grow, it generates its own fuel. This financial strength is a huge competitive advantage. TFI can invest, acquire, and outlast weaker rivals. The company's margin of safety is second to none. TFI can execute its long-term strategy no matter the market noise. This is why we can invest with confidence. The business is sound, the balance sheet is rock solid, and management has the resources to play offense. With a market cap of $7.6 billion, this company continues to carve out a dominant presence in North America. For 2024, TFI brought in a solid $8.4 billion in revenue, translating to a net income of $422.48 million. That gives it an earnings per share of $4.56, and a price-to-earnings ratio of 19.80, which places it at a relatively attractive valuation in the industry. Now here's where it gets interesting. The current stock price sits at $90.29, but that's a staggering 84.77% below its estimated fair value price of $166.83. For value investors, this kind of gap can signal a major opportunity, especially when backed by strong fundamentals and consistent performance. Now let's address the sell-off. TFI is growing revenue, generating cash, and returning capital, so why is the stock down 45%? Simple. The market is panicking over a cyclical downturn in freight and logistics. Wall Street sold off the whole sector, punishing the best with the worst. This is classic market overreaction. The market is pricing TFI as if it's in crisis, but the fundamentals are strong. Free cash flow is surging even in a soft market. The market focuses on short-term volume dips. We focus on long-term cash flow. This isn't a company problem, it's a sentiment problem. TFI's fundamentals remain rock solid. We're being offered a best-in-class leader at a bargain price. When the cycle turns, the stock will re-rate higher. The time to buy is when fear is at its peak. Here's the bottom line. TFI International isn't just another name in the transport sector. It's a dominant, cash-rich powerhouse that's been quietly building its empire across North America. With a proven track record of smart acquisitions, operational efficiency, and a relentless focus on shareholder value, TFI stands out as a true leader in the industry. Even in challenging markets, they've managed to deliver consistent results, making them a beacon of stability in a volatile world. Right now, this shareholder-friendly leader is trading at a staggering 45% discount to its intrinsic value. That's not just a bargain. It's a rare opportunity that doesn't come around often. This is a screaming buy. But as always, it takes conviction and a willingness to act when others hesitate. The market often rewards those who move decisively when the odds are in their favor. But before you jump in, remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. That's why I highly recommend enrolling in the Value Stocks Investing Master Course. The link is below. This course is designed for investors at every level, whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your edge. Inside, you'll gain the tools, strategies, and confidence to spot undervalued gems like TFII, and more importantly, to hold them through thick and thin for truly life-changing gains. You'll learn how to analyze businesses, read financial statements, and develop the mindset of a successful long-term investor. Don't just sit on the sidelines and watch others build wealth. Become a player in your own financial story. Take the first step toward financial independence and start making moves that your future self will thank you for. And if you're hungry for even deeper insights, join our Stocks Galore Patreon community. There you'll connect with like-minded investors, get exclusive research, and participate in live Quanda sessions. The link is in the description. Don't miss out on this chance to level up your investing game. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think is the biggest catalyst for TFI's rebound? Is it their aggressive acquisition strategy, their operational excellence, or something else entirely? Your perspective matters, and I love reading your insights. Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going and learn from each other's ideas and analysis. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-conviction stock ideas and actionable investing strategies. Your support helps us reach more investors like you. Remember, this is your moment to build real, lasting wealth. Opportunities like this don't wait around forever. Those who act boldly are the ones who reap the biggest rewards. The opportunity is right here, right now. Don't let it slip through your fingers. Take that leap of faith and position yourself for success. Take action, invest smart, and let's make some money together. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Make yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next analysis. Stay curious, stay bold, and keep investing in your future. Let's go seize this opportunity together.